Hey guys, I just had a fantastic experience with this copywriting course with Tijay. He was so energetic and to the point during the webinar, which made me join the class immediately. And actually, I was the first person to join and the official first student to be enrolling to this course. And it's not just like any other course where you just get a course material and support for some weeks and then it's gone. This is literally like any post graduation where you have regular sync ups and weekly sessions and your doubts are cleared then and there. And the assignments, I should say, my god, it was designed in a perfect way that every assignment becomes a milestone for you to achieve your goals in copywriting practically. And it's way beyond copywriting, I should say, because I actually had an idea of opening a YouTube channel for a long time, but I never did that. But this copywriting course gave me that push and also taught me the right way to open, and I've opened my YouTube channel and it will be live soon. So that is some change which this course gave me. And the group and the community of this copywriting course is very huge and diverse with multi-talented people where you get so much insights about things, and I learned a lot from them. And last but not the least, about our mentor. He's so amazing. I've never seen a tutor of any online course being so dedicated, and he makes sure that everybody's queries are addressed, be it the questions during the session or online or questions on email or WhatsApp group. Anytime he would make sure that your queries are answered. This continued even after the community grew big, and there was I think a group of students more than 200 per session. But even then, he would make sure everybody's queries are answered and everybody is clear about what it is. So much insights and so much learning, and also fun. It pumps up the energy of me and makes me wait for every Thursday to attend this session. And in short, this copywriting class made my lockdown period very lively. Bye bye.